Hello guys, welcome to Adeyemi YouTube channel. Today I bring you a fantastic application that will let your phone be like a robot. Maybe you want to surprise someone and you want to be answering his message as soon as you can without you touching your phone. Now with this application, your phone can become a robot and reply each and every message for you without your consent. So you guys try and watch this video to the end. So what are the settings you just have to do? What are the few settings you have to do, and what are the procedure you have to follow? Now let's get started. But before I proceed, I will urge you guys not to forget to subscribe to this fantastic YouTube channel for you to be notified with each and every time we drop a latest video on this channel. You guys, now let's get started, please. As you can see, now this is what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm trying to tell you. When I just die on play, you can see each and every message is pressing by itself. So this will surprise you. This is like your phone is robot. Maybe you have any message, you just type, you just do the necessary setting, and your phone will be operated by itself. As you can see, it's typing by itself without my consent. I don't touch anything. I've program everything there like your robot. You guys, this is very important application. So I would like to tell you the procedure, how the thing is. So let's click on stop. As you can see, it has stopped now. So let's get started with the procedure you just have to take. Now, what are the procedure you just have to take is to go to your Google Play Store and you should search for an application called AutoClick. AutoClick. That's the name of the app. That's the name of the application. You should search for AutoClick. And you should search for AutoClick. As you can see, now you just have to click on open. Once you click on open, it will direct you to the application directly. As you can see, the application is still loading, and you should click on OK. You just have some few settings to do, is to allow the permission on your phone. Click on OK. As you can see, the permission is allowed now. So what you just have to do is to click this enable. Now what I just have to do is to go to my WhatsApp. Let me go to my WhatsApp application. So as you can see, now I'm on my WhatsApp. What you just have to do is to click on the plus, and you should put it on what you want it to be programmed for. Like now, the first plus is on H, another plus is on E, hello, L, another plus is on L again, and the last plus is on O, and so on. That's how you continue typing. You continue putting on each and every alphabet for auto typing. Continue putting it on each and every alphabet for auto typing. So what suggests that the last one, you put it on send. You put it on send. This is among the important settings. Also, you just have to put 300 here. Put it to 300 and click on OK. Now what you just have to do is to click on play. As you can see, the message is sending by itself automatically. Your phone is just behaving like a robot. Very interesting and good application that will shock your girlfriend or shock anyone of your friend. If you enjoyed this application, once again, don't forget to smash on the subscribe button and follow me on my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you and God bless. Have a wonderful day. Once you click on this plus, it will stop now. As you can see, it has stopped. Thank you for watching my video once again, and have a wonderful day. I love you guys all. Thank you and God bless you.
Kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the bell beside the subscribe button for you to be notified when we drop the latest video. And don't forget to like our videos and share to your friends, relatives and family.